Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the 4-hour time frame, and I can see that there is a breakout of this trading range, the very tight trading range here. Yesterday we had a narrow day and today the market's trading lower and we already got a lower low. Market did rally here this morning in the beginning of the European session, but we can see that the resistance at 1.2032 was pretty strong, so I expect potential downside continuation. There is a chance for potential retest of the 1.1945 or even 1.1925. So potential for the downside continuation on the British pound versus US dollar. Speaking of the gold market, it's a pretty similar situation. We have the resistance at 1847 held pretty good here, and then we got a rejection, and this morning we got a downside move from the beginning of the European session. Seems like market on the daily time frame wants to attack the pin bar territory, so area around even 1820 can be in the play for today. And we can see that the downside trend is active as well. The lower highs, series of the lower highs and lower lows on the 2-hour and 4-hour time frame. So potential also for downside continuation on the gold market. Speaking of the crude oil, still market is trading sideways inside of this defined trading range. So we have this defined trading range, and market is trading in the middle around in the 76.93. So either watch for the breakout of 82.50 to confirm potential test of the 93.40, or breakout of the support zone at 72 to confirm potential retest of the 66.65 area. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, market is sitting on a strong resistance zone. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame. Market is rejected pretty aggressively of the previous day high and this resistance cluster, so there is a potential chance for some downside rotation here, and maybe even for the test of for example 24,300 or 24,000 area in the next period. So strong rejection of the previous day high and rejection of this resistance. That will be all for this update and video. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.